Infrared hair growth comb 101, LLLT comb. Infrared hair growth combs use infrared light therapy, often combined with low-level laser therapy, LLLT, to stimulate hair follicles, promote hair growth, and improve scalp health. Here is a detailed explanation of how these devices work, their benefits, and key considerations. How infrared hair growth combs work. 1. Infrared light therapy asterisk, wavelengths asterisk. Infrared light typically operates in wavelengths ranging from 700 nanometers to 1400 nanometers. These wavelengths penetrate deeper into the skin compared to visible red light. Mechanism asterisk. Infrared light stimulates cellular activity within the hair follicles by enhancing ATP, adenosine triphosphate, production, increasing blood flow, and reducing inflammation. This promotes healthier hair growth by revitalizing dormant hair follicles and extending the growth phase, anagen phase, of the hair cycle. 2. Low-level laser therapy, LLLT, lasers asterisk. Many infrared hair combs combine infrared light with low-level lasers. These lasers emit light at specific wavelengths, often in the red or near-infrared spectrum, that penetrate the scalp. Mechanism asterisk. LLLT works by stimulating hair follicle cells, increasing blood circulation, and improving nutrient delivery to the scalp. This helps to activate dormant hair follicles and encourages thicker, healthier hair growth. Benefits of infrared hair growth combs. 1. Promotes hair growth asterisk, stimulates follicles asterisk. Infrared light and LLLT stimulate hair follicles, encouraging them to produce new hair and promoting thicker, fuller hair. Extends growth phase asterisk. The treatments help prolong the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle, resulting in longer hair growth periods. 2. Improves scalp health asterisk asterisk, increases blood flow asterisk. Enhanced blood circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the scalp, promoting healthier hair follicles. Reduces inflammation asterisk. Infrared light has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the scalp, reducing irritation, and creating a better environment for hair growth. 3. Non-invasive and painless asterisk asterisk, ease of use asterisk. Infrared hair growth combs are easy to use at home and do not require professional supervision. Comfort asterisk. The treatments are non-invasive and painless, with no known adverse side effects. Key features and considerations. 1. FDA clearance asterisk, safety and efficacy asterisk. Look for combs that are FDA cleared, ensuring they meet safety standards and are proven to be effective in promoting hair growth. 2. Number of lights asterisk asterisk, coverage asterisk. More infrared and laser lights typically mean better coverage and more effective treatment. 3. Design and usability asterisk asterisk, ergonomics asterisk. Choose a comb that is comfortable to ergonomically designed handles and lightweight construction can enhance the user experience. Portability asterisk. Consider the portability of the device, especially if you plan to use it while traveling. 4. Session duration and frequency asterisk asterisk, usage guidelines asterisk. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for session length and frequency. Typical usage might be several times a week for a few minutes per session. 5. Clinical evidence asterisk asterisk, proven results asterisk. Look for products backed by clinical studies demonstrating their effectiveness in promoting hair growth. Popular infrared hair growth combs. 1. Hair Max Laser Comb Ultimate 12 asterisk asterisk, features asterisk. Combines 12 medical grade lasers with infrared light. Usage asterisk 3 times per week, 8 minutes per session. FDA cleared asterisk yes. 2. NutriStim Professional Hair Growth Laser Comb asterisk asterisk, features asterisk 12 medical grade lasers with infrared light. Usage asterisk 3 times per week, 8 minutes per session. FDA cleared asterisk yes. 3. Ayers Tour Professional Laser Hair Growth Comb asterisk asterisk, features asterisk. Combines medical grade lasers and LEDs emitting red and infrared light. Usage asterisk several times a week as per model specific guidelines. FDA cleared asterisk yes. Conclusion: infrared hair growth combs offer a convenient, non-invasive way to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. By combining infrared light therapy and low-level laser therapy, these devices can effectively promote thicker, healthier hair when used consistently according to manufacturer guidelines. Always consider FDA clearance, design, ease of use, and clinical evidence when selecting a hair growth comb to ensure you choose a safe and effective product.